Am I audible? Good morning, everybody. Just imagine if world is full of robotics, what our works will replace with our robots. Now I want to discuss about advantages of a robotics and how it will replace our works within a simple and in a short of period time. Everyone is telling and introducing robots, but we have to understand what will they do and what will they can do and can't do also. Everyone is thinking robots can do any work, but sometimes it can't do. But in every situation and every, if you want to do any work in short timely, you can use robots. And what do you think about robots, Travia? Today generation robots are for future generation robots are very useful. Robots are mainly widely used in industries for manufacturing, for harvesting in agricultures, in industries like painting, welding. There are many useful works for robots. These are widely used in agriculture. Without helping farmers, they will also use.
I want to add one point. Robots save time and human effort. It works 24 by 7 without side.
Yes, I'm completely thinking about that also. If you humans have any particular time to work at every work, human can do work at least almost 8 hours. If he can do after 8 hours, he will be tired. But robots doesn't have any time limit. It can do 24/7.
Humans, a robotics can do anything compared to humans. They do not waste wasting time. And due to robotics can do tasks to perform uh, quickly, and they do anything like industries, agriculture, and robotics are useful to humans, and they safety precautions like yes, there is a lot most of advantages by using robots. One of these robots can do any work faster and more accurately. Robots also perform dangerous jobs and reduce the human risk. And robots can do robots can do more work as compared to humans. There is a more advantages by using robots. They also participate in medical fields, like they care in healthcare and also care the patients, and also uses in surgeries like this. Yes, I am thinking that you tell what is said is absolutely 100% correct. In real life, everywhere human beings are trying to use the robotics. For example, in a military, they are using in a suspicious areas we can't enter in that. But we have a chance to enter in a robot in the suspicious places. And in a medical field, you tell that medical field is very important. Medical field is accuracy is important because if you take in a wrong step, the body will, the human will take in died sometimes. That's why we have to accuracy is important. If you use in a robotics or a new technology in that, we can save a new life. Just like this, everywhere we can use. For example, in this lab, there are cleaners. If you use a robot, You can save any human lives and reduce the manpower. Then we can save our economy and money also. What do you think about Maggie?
It's absolutely right. Robots saves time and resources. It provides 24 by 7 service. In disasters, our robots rescue operations.
However, robots. How is right? 50% of your words is correct, but 50% of people is thinking it is in a wrong way. Robots can replace our work, but we have to create a robots. In that place, new jobs are creating. Everyone have to think like this. Yes. What do you want to? Could you please explain more about that?
Even time is up. You have still 2 minutes, just 1 minute time I'll give, not two also. 1 minute time you have. Come on.
So everyone have to understand what you're thinking. Robotics will replace. I think you robotics will very dangerous in future. Everyone have to understand how they are reducing, how they are giving the production to us. If you think that point, you can reduce your negativity about this robot in the future. If you think it will reduce, give the accuracy, and we can use in a mines which are dangerous places we can't enter in it. So robots are very important in our future. Everyone have to increase our practical knowledge about this robot in the future also. Robots are not dangerous. It is very advanced and advantage to us. Thank you.
Okay. So good. As you initiated, you concluded, and you tried making her to involve in the discussion. With others, you are passive. You're not at all active. If you are like this, if you wanted to be like this, you be. If you were better before than now, I don't know why you are becoming this passive. Are you sleepy? What I believe in you. When you are holding microphone, it's not with the fingers. You use all the fingers, two fingers to microphone touch. Understood? You hold it appropriately, connect with her point. Yes, see what you mentioned is right. I believe in that. And let me add one more point to that. Like that, you have to speak. Is it clear? Understood? Yeah. You can leave without making noise. You can leave the place and without. Are you all ready? Holding the microphone. Use microphone properly. One more microphone is on the stand. Okay. Good. Are you on the live? Fine. You can go ahead with the discussion. What for are you waiting?
Good morning, everyone. How was your day? Okay, now I would like to share my views on women make better managing. Yes, I strongly believe that women can make better manager in anything. Like managing means not giving such instructions. It's not about giving some instructions to others. It's all about how we are in reading and giving some ideas and sharing our thoughts. College of good instruction also they can do instruction and they get a better opportunity to take better users and women can manage everything. We can conclude and every point have very communicated and have nice humor and also both emotions and other activities also in the society. We can be a strong women. We have a strong case.
Also, they have good communication skills and they are also active listeners.
Yes, I agree with your point. It is a good point. I like to say that the woman has the best leaderships and they will manage two times at home and company. They can empathize with other people and they are natural born communicators.
Also people can women can do two work at the same time and also know about any instructions women also and women are very strong in the society they can improve when
Sorry for interruption. It is not based on the gender, it is based on good leadership and best communication skills and leadership.
and also do best emotionally and support women in
Agree statement. Men can do all things to compare with men. He has worked a lot for us and in society also.
Nowadays, so many big companies are under by the women. They are leading with the empathy and the vision.
yes in olden days I think few decades ago like as you mentioned, some years ago, some people criticized the women. They don't think anything. They don't know anything. They do not able to do anything. Nowadays, women are showing their ability in every way. In business, education, they can do what men can do.
I, ag- I agree with your points, but I have a point of view. I would have a point of view. Nowadays, there is no gender, but the competitiveness of men and women, but their skill and thinking.
I agree with this point, but always there's also the different type of the women go not nowadays when you have agriculture women are looking like nowadays there's also women are strong. They looking at they looking into what the animal humanity. What you said is absolutely correct, but not all women are doing such things. Some women are like they were in household women.
They are underestimated and criticized by others, and they're facing so many problems in olden days.
How should they manage the problem? They manage everything watching and their ability to manage anything. I think they were the strong in the world. Woman is the strongest person, and they were and so many people criticize them, but it's not. Yeah, good. It's a good discussion. Do you want to add any point?
Academy.
Okay.
Good. It is you at least everybody from this group involved in the distraction. So that's appreciable, but you still need to improve some good phrases. You see comments from your peers, watch it on YouTube, look in there. Okay? So can I, yeah, after that, 93 after 88, 86, good. You can go ahead and other team would occupy. Quickly. Speak louder. It is working.
Hello everyone, how are you? And today discussing about social impact on digital platforms. Like that, I think digital platforms are used students and students that coding and technical skills and communication skills also. Digital platforms are very useful for students in nowadays generation. And it is useful for
Sorry for the interruption. In my opinion, digital platform is a practicing tool, but while using the digital platform like the social media, I've been a cause of stress and it caused mental health issues. So we want to decrease our screen time on social media and we want to concentrate on other books. Yeah,
platform is the voice for learning. I agree with you, but
Put your microphone near to your mouth.
what I can do, it is difficult to
Digital platform is a tool for student learning, developing practice and it is using computer, smartphones and internet. That become to part of modern education. Good point to add it in louder. It is a part of modern education too. We are using digital platforms as a great practicing tool.
as a given content platforms are become an important part of our daily life and they use it communicate and collaborate with teachers and classmates and it is so useful to
The example you had. You can say in my real life, I've experienced a digital platform called Monet. Can you keep the microphone with your mouth? Speak louder. Near. Look. Yeah.
has created cyberbullying and unable to contact to update it. Students in rural areas difficult
Look,
to
you also connect his point this way, no, as you said.
many are used in rural areas difficult to difficult to all it practicing not just user in your job or in work you do are very useful.
yeah, I agree with your point, but digital platform, as my point of view, digital platform is a practicing tool, but due to the screen time of our mobile phones, and we may cause of mental health.
Okay. So your given time is up. You're wasting a lot of time by giving a lot of pauses. Though you have a good content with you, your voice is very low out of your fear or less confidence. I don't know why. The reason is not understood. You're very quiet, very low with your voice. This is not effective for the discussion. Clear? You can quickly give your registration number to me. Next number. Okay. D4. Next number. D3. D6. be louder. Don't be like the previous group. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Now the topic is about is a digital platform, a learning tool, or a source of. We all know, we very well know about the digital platform. Now everyone uses it. Can you can you share any real life examples about any digital platform? Digital platform help students develop technical skills.
Can you keep the microphone with your mouth like this? Yeah.
Digital platform help students develop technical skills like teacher. Digital platform is used to I will try to learn digital topics.
Mana, be louder, Mana. Be active. Okay, come on. Be active.
As usual, I am creative. Digital platforms are practically heavy and topics like mathematics and physical topics.
Platforms, platforms from here. But teenagers are very addicted to digital media. So
While traveling also with you can learn anything any day by traveling and you can save more time. There are many digital classes like Byju's. You can learn more detailed courses and the digital classes you can meet with an expert and you can learn more doubts. There are many benefits to digital classes. Keep it near to your mouth. Use like this. Come on. Please.
yes, as we all agree, digital platform is a very creative tool we can use according to our. Everybody has their own tool when it comes to learning. Well, digital platforms are based on our own self-learning. Now let us discuss about using and not using, but how digital platform is a source of strength. Yes, digital platform cost that kind of and utility. It can also disturb our daily lifestyle. There are many distractions by using digital platforms. Can learn how to reduce the distractions by using digital platforms. Digital platform is a very good tool to learn. Everybody can connect through discussion groups or even to not get distracted. You should set a timetable or, or a timer to learn. And you shouldn't get distracted while the pop-ups come, or you shouldn't get too involved in the digital platform. You should also explore the outside.
Okay, so if at all your distraction is just passive and not effective, then no need of wasting this much time. Is my voice audible and clear? Can everybody hear my voice? Hello, can everybody hear my voice? Then why are you not able to speak out? What still energy is in you? Why are you not? Though you are having right points, why are you not bringing some examples? Okay, let's take an example from our real life Zoom with this digital platform. Padlet is a digital platform. Are we not using that as a practice tool? Then why are you not that confident? Why are you so strict with the training point? And when the chance comes to you, you should have mentioned points because you asked him a question, you left the microphone. And then the same case with you. If you are like this, then when do you learn? Okay. Here, you can leave the place, let other things come and occupy.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to initiate the discussion about the artificial intelligence, its threats, human learning. Artificial intelligence helps to uh, students learn new things like it can understand the lessons and answer the questions. So students who usually understand the topic
Speak louder.
Yes, I agree with your point, and I add few more points to you because AI is very useful to our generation. AI is very useful to our generation, and as usual, it is threat to our human kind.
I agree with your point. AI is very friendly for students and it helps make more easily and quick answers. So I like this AI tools which provide 24 by 7. So I think it is very good, but some students depend too much. So use properly this AI tools. I agree with I not agree with your point. AI tools always correct answers with me. So I continue uh,
Yes, I agree with your point because it is very threat to our human kind. By using AI tools, we can over dependent that we use for writing assignments and another topics, and it is also useful in our examination.
not doing that.
We need not to be more dependent on AI tools. We have to focus in our education. But many students maximum dependent on the AI tools.
I agree with your point. Uh, because some students too much depend on school and misuse school.
How did I keep my microphone? Is it not audible? Yes, go ahead.
I agree with your points. In our present generation, even though fifth class students also use AI tool to solve his problems which are given by his teacher. Her teacher. And this is the maximum problem coming to in our generation. They didn't have much knowledge for increase for increment in their studies.
Definitely, I agree with your point. As of now, we talk about we all know here become one of the powerful points to country. And they are so many tools for AI. And we can learn so many things from AI. And they are so many apps of AI like we can do our work so easy and faster with using AI.
I agree with you. Artificial intelligence transforming more aspects in human life and develop. It will be used economic and social, ethical, all what you remember or what you read from somewhere. Just mutually useful. For example, haven't you used any digital platform in real life? What do you use? Speak about them. Speak about them usefully. Why do you trying? Why are you trying to recall what you read from the mobile? Come on. Yes. Come on. Try. Yeah. Try. Try speaking naturally, Nana. Lyric tricks. For example, if you are with your friends in your classroom, how well you speak. The same you are doing naturally. We are not restricting you. You speak relevant to the topic. Be confident. Don't try to focus on your by-hearted content. Come on. Try now. Anyone try? Come on.
By using AI tools, we can learn many and we can develop our
So you are using the digital platform as a practicing tool. Okay.
new AI tools like internet,
Are you practicing it or is it dominating? No, right? Okay. Come on.
by using these tools we can develop our skills and even though there are many troubles they are facing. We dependent on AI tools, we cannot focus on our skills. So this is the problem that I have faced.
Come on. You can also see things you are not expecting. Do you aware Instagram do you use? Zoom, did you join any meeting over Zoom? Then not future experience. Come on. Other days, we are just like, without the help students, without students, find information quickly. And explore different topics are available in the videos everywhere. Choose the best study, choose the best practicing tool.
also agree with your point. Not only emails, these days, more education, but also another sector, like medical sector and another REB space. So by using these AI tools, we can copy many things.
Okay, so other than this, we can't give you very long the time. So you tried well, but still students are passive in this group. You need to talk to me and practice. Yeah, yeah. Eventually, it is this girl